Are you looking to get results out of your open house? Let me ask you, what is the purpose of your open house? Would you like to do more business? Here's a strategy for making open houses successful. How to conduct the perfect open house. How would you like to have a strategy that actually sets appointments after an open house? See, I ask this question often, what is the purpose of an open house? And realtors will tell me it's to gather leads. It's to create a callback list. It's to meet the neighbors. It might be to sell the houses, to keep the seller happy, or it's marketing. And all those are great things. But what if we had the intentions? And by the way, anything we have intentions of is what we're aiming toward. What if we have intentions of actually having appointments after the open house? Because quite frankly, most realtors get people to sign in a list, and sometimes that phone number is incorrect, and the ones that are correct, we call them and they don't answer anyway, so we do a lot of follow-up with no results. So here's a strategy that will give you results. Couple walks into an open house, I'm having a conversation, find out they're looking for a house in this neighborhood, we're going to call it Deer Creek, and also find out they've been looking for 6 months and they put offers in on houses and been beat out each time. And I'm going to ask that magic line that I use. And it's, can I share with you what my clients appreciate about what I'm doing to help them find a house that is different from all the other real estate agents? Now, there's a lot in that whole question right there. Can I share with you, permission, what my clients appreciate? I'm not bragging, that I'm helping them find houses that is different from all the other realtors, separation. So can I share with you what my clients appreciate about how I'm finding them houses that's different from all the other real estate agents? Sure. Well, you guys are looking in Deer Creek, so if we are working with you, we would call every owner in Deer Creek and have a conversation, ask them if they're interested in selling a house, explain that we have a buyer who's looking, this is not for a listing, just see if we can match two people up, and we door knock and we mail, but we do many things, and here's what the results are. Often we can come up with 2 to 3 houses that our clients get to see that nobody else gets to see. Would you like us to do that for you? My question for you is, if we could find you a house that's not off on the market, but they want to sell and it matches, would you want to take a look at it? And they're of course going to say yes to that. Then all I have to do is say, well, here at the open house, I'm not able to ask a lot of questions that I'd like to ask to find out exactly what you're looking for. Can I give you a call back after the open house? Would 4 or 6 work better? Well, 4 o'clock, great. Now I actually have an appointment. So during that open house, if I can set 4, 5, 6, 8 appointments with people, is that a successful open houses? Absolutely. This strategy works awesome.